Hey guys, it's Melissa here, and the summer is definitely getting away from me, and I wanted to quickly update you on what's happening in the garden in July. Last we spoke, we had a real tragedy over here by the berry vines that had gotten hacked back, and as you can tell, they're still kind of small in the grand scheme of how much they'd been growing this spring. But I did want to share with you a few vines that are coming back that still have fruit on them. Ooh, even here, wow. Basically, I wanted to share with you that all was not lost. We still had a few branches that were kind of going sideways and not into the lawn, and those survived and those fruits are starting to ripen. It's not a tremendous amount of berries at this point, but it's enough that I can turn the kids loose like just before bedtime and after dinner, and they have a lot of fun looking for which berries have ripened.
Yeah, Mama. Oh. This is for you.
Oh.
It's packed.
So that's been a real plus. The other funny thing is that I just bought pickling cucumbers or Persian cucumbers last weekend at the store, thinking that I didn't have any ripe ones, and I was wrong. My cucumbers have been going crazy, particularly the ones that are in pots on our patio. So I really just wanted to highlight how amazing cucumbers can do in a pot with a tomato cage. So I'm going to be harvesting a bunch of those, and today's cleaning day, so I'm going to leave a big bag of those for my cleaning lady, and I'm also picking beans in our little pot with the haricot vert that I planted. I did another round of them in June, planting from seed, and it is the 23rd of July or something when I'm shooting this. So it didn't take too much time, and I have beautiful little thin, pencil thin string beans ready for clipping for tonight's dinner. I would say that like growing things in pots, it doesn't seem like you could really feed a whole family off of it, and we're not obviously depending upon what we're growing. But I will say that for one or two people in a household, or kids who just want to try a taste of something, it is perfectly useful to have one pot with some string beans planted in it, because that will definitely be enough for dinner tonight. Maybe not enough for leftovers, but definitely enough to throw a little green veggie in with something that I otherwise would be cooking for dinner. I am also still enjoying so many cherry tomatoes, so many, you guys, that I don't know what to do with them. I actually just bought some okra, and I did chopped okra sauteed in a really hot pan with oil, and I actually threw my cherry tomatoes in with that, and I did like an okra cherry tomato kind of summer saute. And while you think you don't like okra, that okra is so flavorful and meaty, and then combined with that like pop of a small like miniature bomb of tomato sauce taste, that cooked cherry tomato with the okra was just amazing, and my 2.5-year-old finished it. So that's just a little recipe to share with you that is using produce from my garden. We're using a ton of Swiss chard. I use it for garnishing in the lunchbox. I use it for sauteing. I throw it in soups. It's been really helpful, and as always, it's just me sharing what's going on in our little yard here. I'd love to know how your gardens are doing, what you're enjoying at this point in the summer, and thank you so much for being here. I just wanted to share before we get in the car for carpool this morning, and I'll see you back here on my channel soon. Bye-bye.
Dad, here's one more.
There's one more. Enjoy it, baby.
This one is for Daddy.
Oh, okay. Let's go take it to him.
Because Daddy did not have some.
Oh, Daddy should have some.
Yeah, so I'll give it to him.